Hello everybody, it's Donna from Enchanted Gardens. I'm here in Mandy's woodland garden and I'm just going to show you, this is the remaining elder. So this is just Sambucus nigra, which is our common elder. It's in all the hedgerows, in all the wild places, growing naturally. And this is the one that I allowed to stay. I took out about 15 to 20, if you remember, they were 20 feet high. Now, Lucy's just said, my elders, I don't know who steals them. As soon as the berries ripen, they're gone. Of course, it's the birds, Luce. It is the birds. They will be in. It's vitamins for them, and they're absolutely delicious. We all know this. So, and you might know somebody who has recipes, and they're gorgeous. There's probably a million things, including alcohol, cakes and sweets and everything that you can make from this. Give it a go. It's free. That's the thing, it's free. We're drinking elderflower cordial right now, which is so easy to make. No excuses for not doing it. I just briefly wanted to show you Mandy's woodland garden. You were here for the video where we had to dig out all the variegated periwinkle. Come and see how that's doing. Now, look. I've got it still coming through. So we're going to take up these and we're going to have to take a post spade and really get going with it again. Going to have to dig it all out, but it's not too bad right now. If it's left, it's going to be inundated again. So we will be careful to keep an eye on it. I've added Thalictrum flavum. I've added Inga's Swedish Treasure, I've added Fuchsia, I've added Gora, I've added one or two Agastache, and the Betony is in flower, which is gorgeous. It's Physostegia Rose Crown. I think she likes it here. Can you see those little flowers where the bees can get in? Gorgeous plant. From America. And let's have a look at the Betony. In the pots, the Betony came and went last month. So this, in a woodland situation with a little bit of shade, is obviously flowering later. So it's giving me this wonderful colour. And of course, I'm not going to take the dead flowers off of any of this, because I need the seed. I will collect the seed and then that will come back to me free in the form of plants and seedlings for next year. And I would encourage you to do the same. So the Foxgloves, even though they finished a long ago, I'm going to let them self-seed here. So Foxgloves are generally biannual. It's just that because you have them every year, you assume they're perennial. So apart from the little strawberry foxglove, the little short stumpy one, these are not perennial digitalis. But because I don't cut the flower heads off and let them self-seed, I will have flowers in this area next year while these three plants are resting. And they will be replaced by additional young plants, and then they will be replaced the next year. So I will always have foxgloves in this border. So look after the gardens, don't tidy them away too quickly, and allow nature to do her thing.